Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a speed build of Monster Jam Megalodon. It's not going to be one of them stop motion things. I'm just going to build it. Yeah. So hopefully this goes well. Nothing interrupts me except from these bugs. I'm not going to kill them, of course. No. I only kill bugs when it's started. I'm not scared by them. Okay, anyway. So today we're going to do a speed build of the Monster Jam Megalodon. Yeah, let's get straight into this. It's just these like tiny. There's a car going, so yeah. That's why it sounds like there's a car going, because there is a car going. The final brain song. Final brain song. Alright, we've done the Megalodon. It's like a pullback thing. Yeah. We have done Megalodon Monster Jam set. And I think if like part of the video it seems like it cut a bit in some parts. Yeah, because the first one was like my phone died, the second one a piece got stuck in the wrong place. So yeah, here's the set and let's test it. So here it is. So it's like one of them pullback things. Go! Well, yeah, and that is video good.